తెలుగు మాతాము
Odimalla Suresh, Minister for Education, today's guest, Dr. Muhammad Aslam Parvez, former Vice Chancellor, Maulana Azad National Urdu University, Professor Muzaffar Ali, Vice Chancellor, Dr. Abdul Haq, Urdu University, Professor Srinivasulu, Registrar, all the faculty members, graduates who are receiving their degrees today, parents and other dignitaries. A very good morning to you all. It indeed gives me immense pleasure, joy to be amidst you, all these celebrating this important occasion. I have been closely following the developments of all the new universities in the state. I am happy to know that these newly established universities are progressing in the right direction. The Urdu University is one of such universities that has slowly learned to thrive in spite of many shortcomings. I congratulate the university administration for its forbearance. The Urdu University made its beginning in the state just 5 years ago. It is admirable how the implementation of both Urdu and English into the curriculum has brought in such a commendable development. Regions like Raichurama have greatly suffered in the past with many limiting factors. With effective government schemes and emerging higher education institutions like this, the Raichurama region is witnessing considerable advancement in education sector. The foundation of Urdu University was laid with the hope to care and preserve the culture of Urdu language. I understand that the only way to do that is to carry out extensive research and also inculcate an interest in the history of its origin and structure of the language. I have been informed that the Urdu University has had a humble beginning with a strength of 76 and has now reached a strength of close to 400. In my opinion, it is a considerable achievement in the given circumstances. There is a need to expand our knowledge in other languages to build on the global perspective. Mastery over any chosen subject with the proficiency in different languages will help the students in developing his knowledge and improve his cognitive abilities. I hope the students would be benefited with the bilingual method which is being used to teach in the university, Urdu University. I am aware of the need and importance of institutions that are established with the aim to preserve language and their culture. The Urdu University, as its emblem symbolizes, should lay more emphasis on the preserving the culture of Andhra Pradesh. Promote the importance of science, learning and research. Similarly, students passing out of this university should always remember the motto of the university, that is love for your country, your parents, your field, your subjects, peace and brotherhood. The struggle you will have to endure to reach your goal and making your dreams come true. And once you have achieved your goals, give back to the society in the form of service. With 80 departments and 13 courses, the university is making good strides, and I congratulate Professor Muzaffar Ali, Vice Chancellor, for the progress made so far, and wish the university will continue to grow in the same manner and reach greater heights. I congratulate graduates who have received their degrees today on this auspicious day. I am happy to note that it is a matter of immense satisfaction to learn that 70% of the graduates who received their degrees today are girls. Much responsibility lies on your shoulders to carry forward the legacy of our country's great culture and tradition. I hope we will choose to follow in the footsteps of these who become pioneers in the chosen field. Whatever field you choose to follow, do it with honesty and dedication, and with an intention to serve and give back to the society. I wish to draw your attention to what Mahatma Gandhi said about education. Literacy is itself no education. Literacy is not the end of the education or even the beginning. By education I mean an all-round drawing out of the best in the child and man, body, mind and spirit. I wish you all good luck. Thank you. Jai.